Hello everybody and welcome to the BOSH kitchen. So I was perusing the internet the other day and noticed there's a fair few chefs making 3 ingredient meals. So I thought I'd have a go. And the meal that I've picked to use 3 ingredients to create is mac and cheese. Now, we love a mac and cheese here at BOSH HQ. We've made absolutely loads of them. So this is going to be an interesting experiment. Can we make 3 ingredient mac and cheese and will it be any good? So the first thing that we need to do for this recipe is we need to cook our macaroni. I'm going to cook it in a big pan of hot water for around about 9 minutes. So our macaroni pasta is bubbling away. Now we've got to make our sauce. And the first part of this 2 ingredient sauce is this. This is 500 mils of oat milk and it's going into the pan. So now we're going to bring that oat milk to a very gentle simmer. So the oat milk is simmering away nicely, which means we now need to add this stuff. This is nutritional yeast, aka nooch, and we're going to put in 50 grams of it. Right, so there's the nooch. Now, very simply, what we've got to do is whisk the nooch with the oat milk and let it thicken. So anybody who likes a good quality vegan mac and cheese knows that the sauce has to be quite creamy. So what we're trying to do here is reduce that liquid down, so we're left with a really nice, cheesy, creamy sauce. Right, that sauce is thickening nicely. I'm now going to taste it to see if it needs a little bit of seasoning, which I expect it will. So that cheese sauce is actually coming along quite nicely, but I reckon it can do with a little bit of seasoning in the form of salt and pepper. So there we have it. That is our cheese sauce done. I've got the cooked macaroni pasta here and it's going into the pan. So now I'm going to stir this macaroni around in that cheesy sauce, but I'm going to keep the heat up so it keeps on reducing so we get that perfect thickness. This is looking pretty darn good. Right, I think we've done it. I think we've reached the point we needed to get to. The sauce is just about thick enough. All the macaroni pasta is really nicely covered. That is time to serve up. Right, so here it is. Check it out. That is our 3 ingredient mac and cheese. Let's see how it tastes. Come on. Honestly, right, I'm not lying to you. That is damn good. That is genuinely really, really tasty. It's got a great level of cheese. It's got a great texture. The noodles are cooked perfectly. Salt and pepper brought all of the flavors together. When I say all of the flavors, I mean the flavor of the nooch. 3 ingredient mac and cheese. Who would have thought? Now, if you enjoyed the video, then let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this, and we shall see you again for the next one very, very soon. Take care. Goodbye.